In this video, I'll show you how to edit a paid invoice in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the second option, which is for sales. Now, under sales, you want to click on invoices. And on the invoices section, what you want to do is simply head over to the fifth tab and click on the paid tab. Now, once you click on the paid tab, it will automatically show you all of the invoices that are paid. And in order for you to edit a paid invoice, what you want to do is simply head over to an invoice. From here, you just want to simply click on it. And once you click on a paid invoice, you will see all of its information. Now, in order for you to edit this, you want to head over to the top and right corner and click on the three dots for more actions. And in here, you will have an option to edit. Now, if you click on edit, you can automatically change the things in which you need to change within the invoice. Now, on the contact, you can change the contact. The issue date is set to locked. You can only change the due date. Let's say instead of 7 days, we want to change this in 14 days. You can also set an invoice number, a reference. You can also change the branding theme. Now, this is depending on your branding theme. I do have a very orange invoice as well as the special projects. And on the online payments, you can manage this and add your own online payment. On the currency and the amounts, these are also locked. What you can also change on the invoice is the description, the account, the region, the project. Now, at the bottom and the left corner, you can even attach files. And at the bottom, you can upload a file or add from your file library. And once you're ready to add your invoice, simply head over to the top and right corner and click on Update. Now, when you click on update, it will automatically show you your invoice again. And in here, it will show you the details in which you have changed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.